Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on our coffee bar, which is now sold. So I wanted to show you what happened and how that worked out for us. So this was a dresser that we found on Facebook Marketplace for $40. We went and talked to him and we negotiated to $30 and we picked it up. We brought it home and the first thing we did was give the base a good cleaning, and then we painted the base. We also painted the drawers, and we decided we were going to go full treatment, so we painted both insides and outsides of the drawers. We also gave you a special look at our spray cam in action, and that was a lot of fun trying to figure out how to do that one, but it's kind of fun watching how it worked on video. Next thing we did is we stripped down the top, and then we gave it a nice good stain with a hickory stain, and came out just gorgeous looking. Then while I was staining the top, Cindy put stencils on all the drawers, and that just came out wonderful. Really gave it an extra touch. So then we moved down to the top. The first thing we did, we painted the actual top of the hutch, and then as soon as we were done with that, we also pulled off the backboard and we painted that white so that it would have a white back to it. And then once that was all painted, Cindy went with her stencil work again, and she painted stencils on the backboard and spaced them and measured them so that they would be even throughout the unit. So then we put everything back together and we staged it and took our pictures and we listed it on Facebook Marketplace, and here's how the numbers worked out. We had the unit listed for $425 for about 6 days with no serious inquiries, although we had a lot of views. So we lowered the price to $350, and a couple of days later we sold it at $325. So our original purchase price on this unit was $30. Spent about $45 in materials, and we ended up with a profit of $250. We say that's flippin' awesome and time to move on to the next project.